Hey all, my name is Luke. I make bags from high performance materials that would otherwise be discarded. But today I'm here to talk to you about the boat project. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to get a ton of progress made on it since the last update. There's been a lot of work filling holiday orders, which is a really good problem to have, of course, but it just means that I don't have as much time to spend on the boat. It's also been pretty cold here. It's been a little rainy, and yeah, I've been spending most of my time in the bag shop. So I sold the engine that came with the boat. It was a Yanmar diesel engine, and we're replacing it with a OceanVolt AXC12 shaft drive system with a Fisher Panda 8 kilowatt diesel DC generator. So we're going to keep the diesel tank on board so we can charge batteries. The OceanVolt system is pretty expensive. Full disclosure, we paid $65,000 for this boat, and the OceanVolt system is not that much cheaper than what we paid for the boat. OceanVolt is a company from Finland, and I think that they are the best electric propulsion system on the market. So I'm really happy that we're going to be putting that in this boat, and we're going to be installing it ourselves, which means we get a little bit of a discount, and we're going to be a demo boat. So for those folks out there who are interested in maybe checking out the benefits of an OceanVolt hybrid electric propulsion system, they'll be able to come on our boat and we can take them out for a sail, and you can see how nice and quiet it's going to be and how efficient it's going to be, and hopefully want to install a system on your own boat. So really excited about that development, and that's pretty much the biggest news that I can think of, because it's a big investment for us, but we really think it's the right thing to do. And since we're going to be living on the boat and running the sail repurposing, recycling operation using hopefully a sailrite machine off of here, it's just the right way to go. Since this is going to be our home, we want it to be as comfortable and as quiet and efficient as possible. And by getting this generator, which is a pretty powerful one, we won't need propane for cooking, and we can use electricity for cooking. And if we get a washer and dryer on board, and maybe even heating, although I do think it's a good idea to have a diesel heater as a backup. But yeah, that's pretty much the big news of the day. We're going to be going full OceanVolt, getting their battery bank, their inverter charger, the diesel gen set, and I just am really excited about it. It's going to be another year and a half or so probably before we can fully pay off the system and get it delivered and get it installed. But in the meantime, I'll just keep on working on fiberglass projects and getting everything else that needs to be done going, because there are a lot of projects that need to be done before the thing can be installed. So stay tuned. Hopefully it'll get more exciting soon. And yeah, I'll show you around what the boat looks like right now in the meantime. And thanks so much for watching.